So I thought I'd make a video of installing a new brake caliper, and I've made a bit of a mess. And the problem is, because I actually had it on once, but I had to take it back off because I forgot to put this little copper washer in there and it was leaking. And so the problem is they didn't design this, as you can see, to swivel. So what I had to do is I had to grab the caliper itself and spin it around. Otherwise, I have to take the brake line off all the way back there, and I really didn't want to get into that. So I spun it around, and I got this back on here. And I'm going to grab, I love these wrenches. I call them line wrenches. I guess they're called flare nut wrenches. But they're perfect because they grab more what you need. So I've got it on there finger tight. Now I'm just going to finish it the rest of the way with my line wrench, which can grab a lot of that bolt. Okay, I'm going to get this nice and tight and really smash that copper washer in there so I don't have this problem again. And this line wrench really does the trick. Okay, so now I've got that, and get this back on. And I'm sorry if you can't see as much as I'd like for you to. It's just hard to do this, and trying to get this on here. This is not easy. There we go. Aha. Okay. And now that's on. I have these. They're lock nut. And I'm sorry, you're just going to see the back of my hand for a minute. Get this lined up here, which is incredibly easy. Okay, I'm going to just hit those nice and tight with the wrench, and then I hit them with the breaker bar. So let's do that. Okay. Now I've got my breaker bar set up, and I just like to go a good quarter turn more is what I always do. Okay, and bottom one. Get those on there nice and taut. All right. Now, I've got to bleed the lines next, and so I'll start doing that next. All right. Okay, so I've got the caliper back on, and now I'm going to bleed the line. I have my lovely assistant inside, and so we'll go ahead and, if you would, brake and hold and let go. Okay, let me see. Make sure the audience can see this here. Okay, brake. Loosen it up and let go. Okay, and brake and let go. I think I've got it. Okay, and brake and let go. Okay, give that one more snug. Okay, and now the brake caliper is back on again. Okay, no more brake lights. That's good. Brake feels solid. brake feels solid. All right, perfect. This video was just me installing a new front brake caliper, front passenger brake caliper. This is not necessarily a how-to, it's just how I personally did it. And that brake fluid is extremely corrosive. I was very careful not to get any on my skin or my paint or in my eyes or anything like that. Thanks for watching.